Welcome back YouTube. This is Ironclad Rider. Today it's 14th of December 2017 and the time is 11 in the morning. So today I woke up at around 8:30 in the morning, and for some reasons I am not very sure about, I was feeling a little low. So I decided to take a nice therapy, and that is a solo ride. Yeah, so I'm taking a solo ride to Malshej Ghat and coming back by the evening. Okay, so I need to refuel first. So I'm done with the refueling and I'm all set. So today the plan is pretty simple. So I am actually leaving out, means I'm just exiting Pune from the Chakan area, that is the industrial area actually, and I'll be taking NH60, the National Highway 60, where I need to drive at around I need to ride for around say 60-65 kilometers, and after that I need to take a left turn to the National Highway 61. So that National Highway 61, again I have to ride for around 50 kilometers, and then I'll be at the Malshej Ghat area. So I'll not be staying somewhere in Malshej, or maybe I'll not be stopping somewhere. Maybe I'll stop somewhere where I can see nice views. I wish to show you people nice views and everything. So, but the main plan is to just ride on and on in the Ghat area as well, and at the end of the day, I'll return back as well from the same Ghat area. So that's the plan. So the total distance that was showing from my home to Malshej Ghat area in the Google map was around 133 kilometers, and the estimated time for arrival was showing as 3.5 hours. I'm not pretty sure about the time, why it is showing such a high time. Anyways, Google आंटी जो बोलेगी वो तो सुनना पड़ेगा, and definitely मानना भी पड़ेगा, because she is the only one who actually helps us riders when we are lost, right? I think the Google map is showing me some notifications. Maybe it's an alternate route. Uh, no, it's just a traffic update actually. I believe there is some traffic jam ahead of me, so it's just giving me a small detour so that I can save some time. See, that's why I say thank you, Google auntie. Now the road seems to be pretty smooth, and that's why I'm able to cruise at around 90 kmph. I didn't expect this route to be so smooth. I believe that they have constructed the roads and everything. The condition of the road is pretty good. You know, the best part of having a bike is this toll. You have to pay a lot of toll. You know, when you are traveling by a car, you have to pay a lot of toll. But this is the best part that I like about bikes. I believe in India there is only one or two toll naka which actually demands money from the bike, and the rest of all the toll plazas all over India is free for two wheelers. The long stretch of road seems to be pretty good from here, so maintaining an average speed of 100 kmph. So far, so good. Now this is the National Highway 61. Now this on this particular highway I need to ride for around 45 or 50 kilometers. Then only I'll be reaching the Malshej Ghat area. I suddenly came across a wonderful location, so I took a small detour from the highway. I'll just show you guys how beautiful this place is. I don't know what place is this. This is definitely not Malshej Ghat. It's Malshej Ghat is around 20 or 25 kilometers from here now. This place seems to be perfect for clicking the thumbnail, right? I will click one. Okay guys, back on track. So here comes the highway once again. have a tea break. Look at that. चाय अच्छी है पर मीठा है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही मीठा है। So after the tea break, I am back on track. So the ghats will be starting from here itself. Soon we will be able to see the beautiful ghat area, the ghat roads. This will be the best scenic part of the total journey, I believe. So you guys enjoy the wonderful ghats with the lovely music. So guys, I'll end this video here. Hope you guys have enjoyed the video. You guys have enjoyed the wonderful Ghat ride. So basically this ride was everything about refreshment and all. So I didn't stop anywhere. It was a continuous ride in the Ghat roads. So you might have definitely enjoyed the same. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button. If you are a new person and coming to my channel and watching my videos for the first time, hit the subscribe button. I need a lot of support from you guys. And also don't forget to click the bell icon just beside the subscribe button so that you get all the notifications related to my videos uploads. So with that said guys, as always, be safe, be healthy, always try to wear your riding gears. If not possible, at least wear your helmet because your life is very precious. Thank you all. Loads of love. Bye bye.